Are you looking to set your iPhone to vibrate mode? Here's how you can do it. On older iPhones, the switch is here, like mine. But on newer versions, you'll see the action button instead of the silent switch. Make sure that it is turned on. Next, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then tap Haptics and make sure that you have selected the Always Play option. After that, check whether your vibration settings are enabled or disabled. To check, go back to Settings again. Then search for Vibrations and make sure that it is enabled. And that's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.